In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to upload content to Pinterest. Before you upload content to Pinterest, make sure that your application is completely up to date and also check your internet connections. So while doing this, what you need is open Pinterest on your device and then log into your account. After which, what you need is click on the plus button right at the bottom, which is right in center as well. And then you could go ahead and click on the pin button or the pin section, and then you want to go ahead and click on manage and click on the post button. So if you're not able to post it, you could also go ahead and click on creators hub, click on creations, and then you want to go ahead and make sure to locate or change settings as well and access other photos as well. And if these are the cases, you click on the next button. If you're sure about it, tap the next button once again. You could add in the title, add in the description. If you have any sort of link, you could also add in there. And once you're done with this, click on create. And as you could see, you've successfully uploaded content to Pinterest. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.